Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove the old devices from Google account permanently. So if you're looking for how to do so in this video, we are going to instruct you step by step. So let's get started. We can go to our Google account on a computer or a mobile device. You can access it up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and access it through my settings. You can use any of the Google applications as well and tap on it. After you open it up, you can head over the Google account managing page of your settings. So I'm just going to go to the option called Google Services. And once you head over here, you will be finding the option for all services. You can tap on it and there you will be finding different options, or you can look out for the option of tapping on your profile and go to the option of managing your Google account, which should be available like this on your screen. Now, what you may do is from the given options available here, you can look out for the option of devices. You can scroll down and find the option for your devices and tap on it. And once you go ahead and tap on it here, you can look out for the option to manage all of the devices available. So here I only have connected few devices, so it will show me this device is available. You can tap on the device that is connected or you would like to remove. And once you do so, here you need to look out for the option to verify yourself. Go ahead and verify yourself first. And once you go ahead and verify yourself, you can select the option to sign out yourself. So look out for the option of signing out. Let me just show you, which should be available like this. So you can select the option of sign out. After that, confirm it up. And when you confirm the removal, it will remove the devices. You may go ahead and repeat the same process for any other old devices that you want to remove, and that will sign you out of the devices. And you do not need to worry because data will not be erased, and signing out of a device does not delete any kind of information from the device itself. It only removes your Google account from that specific device, and your account will stop syncing data to that particular device. And that is how you do it. So if you'd also like to remove all devices from Google account, these are the method you can follow up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.